pumpkin tastes good. Sweet potato tastes good. Everything is just so good. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be making some vegetable rundown. We're not having any meat today, so thank you for stopping by and let's get straight into the video. So we're going to start off with the pumpkin. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so you can see how I slice the pumpkin. I'm going to be cutting it about that length, or maybe smaller. So about like this. As you can see, I left some of the skin on and most of them I peeled them. So it's up to you if you want to keep the skin on or not. It will also add a nice color to the pot. However, just go ahead and make sure that it is washed properly. Alright, so now moving on to my corn that I have. I'm just going to cut them in maybe 2 or 3. Just like that. Next, I'm moving on to my sweet potatoes. So the potatoes are about this size, majority of them, and you want to submerge them in cold water, otherwise they will dehydrate and the color will change until you're ready to use them. All right, now for the cabbage. I absolutely love cabbage, so of course I'm gonna add some cabbage at the very end. It all depending on you and your preference, if you like it crunchy or if you like it soft or in between. I don't like when it's too crunchy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up in my desired size, and that's the last vegetable that I will add to the pot. The next thing that I will add in the pot is carrots. Remember, you can go ahead and add whatever vegetable you want to add. We have here some fresh thyme. We're going to cut a piece of fresh thyme and a nice piece of scallion. So I have some garlic, onions, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and we have our scallion and thyme. I'm gonna add some olive oil to saute my onions. Next, I'm gonna add in a few pieces of garlic. Add your desired amount. Don't allow the onions and the garlic to burn. Just saute them until they're soft. So now after about 2 minutes, I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk. I'm gonna go ahead and dilute it with about ½ cup of water. I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil, adding in my scallion and thyme, adding in some pimento seed. So you can go ahead and season your pot to your liking, add some vegetable or some all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of salt. I'm gonna add just a dash of turmeric to add a little color to the pot, just a little bit. Just a pinch of salt. You want to taste it before you add your vegetable to see if it has your desired taste. Add in your salt. So the first thing I'm going to add is my corn. It's going to take the longest to cook, so we're going to go ahead and add that now. So while the coconut milk is cooking, the corn is cooking as well. We're going to cover it and let it continue to simmer. Give it about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my potatoes. My pumpkin. And my carrots. With that delicious pot of rundown, you don't need any dumpling or rice. However, I do love dumplings. So if you love dumpling like myself, you can go ahead and add a few cornmeal dumpling, which I'll be cooking separately. I throw in my Scotch bonnet, my bell peppers. And remember to taste and adjust the pot if it needs any more seasoning. Tastes fine so far, but I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper on my cabbage. I'm gonna start adding in the cabbage because the pot is almost done. Black pepper, if you wish. Stir it up. I'm just gonna add a piece of butter, cover it up and let it finish steam. As soon as my cabbage is almost done, I just remove the cover so that the liquid can get to reduce. Meanwhile, it will cook down to like a gravy-like consistency, and then dinner is ready. This is like the perfect vegetarian dish. Let me tell you, I just ate some and it's absolutely delicious. Like, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button already. Hit the thumbs up button because I know you're gonna love this. And I have 2 dumplings on the side. You don't have to have any dumpling with it, no, it's just fine just like this. But just in case you love dumpling like myself, you can go ahead and add 2 dumplings on the side like me. All right, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your week.